Psychology says if a girl really loves you, she will fight with you very often. When a girl is in love with someone and tells him she loves him, she truly means it. She will move mountains because of him. Psychology says that talking is an important factor in a successful relationship. A girl in love is like someone on a love drug. Therefore, if she says that the words I miss you, you better believe it. If a girl loves you and you do not love her back, she will feel drained physically and emotionally. If a girl loves a boy and he stares her deep in the eyes, it will make her knees weak. If a girl finds you attractive or is in love with you, she will speak in a high pitched voice. Girls love to have fun and laugh as often as possible. Therefore, they are attracted to the boys that are honest and have a strong sense of humor. Girls look for guys that are confident. This is because girls want to be the one that are vulnerable. Girls like to be complimented about their lips and smile, even though she may look away during the compliment. She is secretly enjoying every second of it. A girl ex crush will almost always be in her mind, while her ex love will always be in her heart. If you want to be the one in a girl's heart, try to be better than ex lover. If a girl likes a boy and wants to be with him, she will make sure that it happens, no matter the circumstances. Telling a girl you love her regularly will build up her self-esteem and make her feel beautiful. Girls love men that are independent, strong, and one that can provide for them. If you occasionally shower her with gifts, she will adore with you and think of you as thoughtful and caring. Girls are always self-conscious about themselves. Therefore, they are more likely to fall in love with someone whom they feel comfortable around. If a girl in love with you tells you that she was talking about you to her friends but would not give you details, know that it was something really good. If a girl is always giving excuses as to why she cannot spend time with you or watch a movie with you, it's time to hit the road because she is not interested in you or the relationship any longer. A simple text or a phone call during the day will make her feel loved. Girls love attention, and if you want her to fall deeper in love with you, make sure you check up on her often. Some girls fancy looks while others cares about brains, but know that all girls care about someone who will love and care for them unconditionally. Girls are way smarter than boys and they can sense your intentions more from miles away. She will know right away if you have something else in mind, so don't try to pull her. Psychology says that when two people love each other, they tend to show interest in each other's activities. Showing interest in a girl's likes and dislikes will make her fall deeper in love with you.